This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fuel pump renewal. Release the rear seat squab by removing the ISOFIX covers, then pull up the front and remove the squab. Note the leverage points on the cover, then lever up the cover with a trim tool and release the grommet from the cover. Disconnect the wiring plugs, then disconnect the supply fuel line and plug the opening, and then disconnect the return pipe and plug the opening. Note the position of the flow and return lines. Also, note the position of the alignment marks. Use a pair of water pump pliers or a homemade tool to grip and rotate the securing ring and unscrew and remove the securing ring. Lift out the lift pump or gauge sender unit, holding it above the level of the fuel in the tank until the excess fuel has drained out. Recover the flange and seal. With the pump or sender unit removed from the vehicle, lay it on an absorbent card or rag. Inspect the float at the end of the sender unit swinging arm for punctures and fuel ingress. Renew the unit if it appears damaged. The fuel pickup incorporated in the assembly is spring-loaded to ensure that it always draws fuel from the lowest part of the tank. Check that the pickup is free to move under spring tension with respect to the sender unit body. Smear the outside of the tank aperture rubber seal with clean fuel or lubricating spray to ease fitting. Locate the seal in the tank aperture before fitting the lift pump or sender unit. Install the unit in the tank and locate the securing ring. Then use water pump pliers or a homemade tool to tighten the retaining ring. Remove the plugs and reconnect the supply and return pipes. Observe the direction of flow arrow markings. Ensure that the fuel hose fittings click fully into place. Reconnect the wiring plugs, then refit the cover. Refit the seat squab, then reinstall the ISOFIX covers.